What's up guys, it's Sha-Deana Z and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am back with another instant lock maintenance. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So if you watched my recent lock video, you will know I have a new loctician by the name of Chelsea. Chelsea owns the It's Not Just Hair studio located in Runner Robins, Georgia, and if you view my recent video, you can see her work. She is really good. Make sure you guys check her out. So the lady doing my hair in the video is not Chelsea, it's actually Kyra, who works in the studio. Chelsea was out of town at the time that I booked this appointment, so I went with Kyra, which was really convenient. But basically I came in for my typical routine of a wash, retwist, and this time a simple style. And then Kyra wanted to say hey y'all. But my hair looks a mess, y'all, and she's using lock in. They say it's like really good, so we about to lock in and get into this retwist. So as you can see, she's already gotten started and retwisted a little bit. And of course I love the method that her and Chelsea use. I guess it's called the locksmith method. It's where they retwist and roll the hair all the way down just so it can minimize the frizz, and after the retwist it makes it look really neat. And then we pulled out the ring light and I was like, okay, lighting is way better. And my hair had grown a lot from November, you guys, when I refer back to that previous lock video. Keep in mind this was on March 4th, 2023. And my locks may appear to be skinny, but in reality they aren't. They always sticking up, but definitely getting skinny because she did the locksmith method. But yes guys, another thing I want to mention is a lot of people want to know, is my hair locked yet? My hair is not locked yet, even though it appears to be locked. Instant locks take a while to lock. How long? I don't know. We gotta see. Y'all get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm not hiding anything since y'all are on this journey with me. I love when I get a fresh retwist. I feel like locks are like having a wig you never have to take off. And I say that because, like, imagine when my locks get long, I can do pretty much anything, any color, any style, you know? Yeah. So get you some locks and stop paying for them wigs. No, I'm just playing. It's up to you. But think about it. But yeah, locks are like the wig I never had, because every wig I had to take off. But locks, these are going for my scalp. I don't have any weave. I don't have any pieces, I don't have anything added in my hair, y'all. This is all me. My hair started from nothing to something. Y'all can go back and refer to the older videos on my channel and you can see the beginning of my lock journey to now. And that is my lock she's folding. And yes, my goal is still to convince some of y'all to get locks. If your hair has never touched the middle of your back and you want long hair, that's a reason to consider locks, because not only are they convenient, but they grow very fast and very long. And that's just because locks require low manipulation. The more you stay out of your hair, the more it grows. Okay, but anyways, let me go ahead and explain what she's doing. So I basically had a lock that was thinning and breaking, and this is only because I chose to wear the pineapple lock style, which is in a previous video of mine. I explained that, but you are not supposed to be wearing tight hairstyles if your locks are not mature. And again, my locks are not locked and they aren't mature, which caused my locks to thin and break. And she is using the instant lock crochet method, and she's combining the locks just to make that skinny part thicker. And just a quick reminder, if you do decide to get locks, remember everyone's hair is different, everyone's hair grows different, everyone's texture is different, and everyone's hair won't be as thick, everyone's hair won't be as thin. It all just depends, so just consult with your loctician to see what works best for you as far as a grid, as far as how many, as far as how to start your locks, whether it's coils, 2-strand twists, instant locks. Just make sure you do your research prior to getting locks and make sure it's the best decision for you. I feel like locks was the best decision I ever made for my hair. Another reason to consider locks is if you have natural hair and you've reached a roadblock, you wake up every day and you don't do anything else to your natural hair. I had a big afro puff. All I did was wear it in a puff, it was dry and it stopped growing. I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't do any other hairstyle, so I was just like, why not lock it up? And this was the best decision because I don't have to do anything to my hair and it'll grow, and I get a retwist, it'll look good, I can style it, and it's just super convenient. It's like having faux locks or braids that you don't ever have to take out, but you can still style and it's still as versatile. So again, once my hair grows, I can do your typical hairstyles. I can do a ponytail, I can do a bun, I can do half up, half down, I can do 2 buns, I can do 2 buns in the front and the back hanging down. Like, I can do pretty much do it all. And another good thing, if you want to switch up your locks, you can always do a 2-strand twist out and you can have curly locks. So it's just like kind of having a wig. You want to curl the wig, you want a straight wig. It's somewhat similar but not similar. So basically the only thing you won't get is the texture of those different curly wigs, you know, deep wave, jerry curl, all of those tight curls, loose curls. And let me correct myself, my hair is already long enough for any buns and any ponytails, by the way. And I guess I just never realized how long my hair really is, but I'm thinking next time I'll probably do a bun, because when she pulled it up, I realized like how much hair I had, and that really could have been a bun. I don't know. Comment down below, should I do like 2 buns in the back hanging down, or like 1 bun in the back hanging down next time? Because y'all know I'm getting simple styles only. I don't want anything that's too tight or doing too much. And no, this hairstyle was not tight at all, even if it looked like it. And notice the kind of hair tie or scrunchie she's using is very stretchy, it's soft, it's not pulling or snagging my locks at all, and it was really comfortable. So just be aware of the type of scrunchies you wear. Make sure it's not tight at all at the root and it doesn't snag your hair. Y'all, my head is really little, but anyways, I had to go back and ask for a 2-strand twist in the front because I realized it was looking a little too basic. And when I went home, I put jewelry on it and everything, and I made it look cute, fixed my edges, all of that. But this turned out really pretty. This is cute. I like this. I'm gonna put some jewelry on it and
by me.
by Kyrie, y'all. Hold on. It's being blurry. Hey, that's Kyrie, y'all. Be in the video. I should have put the ponytail in the middle, but I went home and I fixed it and I just put it in the middle instead of putting it on the side. Don't mind my little head, y'all. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.